That's the indication of the drive shaft scraping on the frame. There's little flakes of metal to prove it. Okay, changing out the transmission mounts today. I had to jack the back end up so I could rotate the tires to get the drive shaft disconnected. Supported the engine over here with the floor jack, and then got a bottle jack and jacked up the front of the transmission to disconnect the old mounts. These are so trash. There's the new ones. So they have to thread into here, and then they just slide in here, and you put a nut on the backside. So it looks like I need to go up a little bit higher with the jack. Not quite. Fuck. So I ended up just taking the bracket out, so I had room to screw these in. Screw these in. Doesn't look half bad. So fuck the bottle jack. I ended up just taking a pry bar and lifting this up. And my golly, we did it.